5. We must speak out and stand up for what we believe. We must all stand up together, or most assuredly, we shall all fall down together. 4. The preservation of peace and the guaranteeing of man's basic freedoms and rights require courage and eternal vigilance. The courage to speak and act and if necessary, to suffer and die for truth and justice. 3. It is much easier to show compassion to animals. They are never wicked. 2. A house built on granite and strong foundations, not even the onslaught of pouring rain, gushing torrents, and strong winds will be able to pull down. 1. Do not worship me, I am not God. I'm only a man. I worship Jesus Christ.